Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix cannot start Denuvo service, Windows cannot verify the digital signature on PC. Alright, let's fix this step by step. First, we'll disable driver signature enforcement. Go to Settings, System, Recovery, Advanced Startup, Restart Now. Then select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. When your PC restarts, press 7 to select Disable Driver Signature Enforcement. Now boot into Windows and check the game. If the error still shows, follow this. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Run the command provided in your description Denuvo fix command. If you get a secure boot error, you'll need to disable it. Go to Settings, System, Recovery, Advanced Startup, Restart Now again. This time select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings, Restart in BIOS. Go to Security, Disable Secure Boot, Enable Virtualization Technology, press F10 to save and exit. Once back in Windows, open Command Prompt as admin again and run the commands again. Next fix, disable conflicting Windows features. Search turn Windows features on or off. Disable Hyper-V, Windows Sandbox, click OK and restart your PC. Still not working? Do a clean boot. Press Windows plus R, type msconfig, hit enter. Go to Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Important, if you use Steam, keep Steam Client Service enabled. Click Apply, OK, Restart. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the Denuvo signature error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie.